Liam, I can't believe it's been almost 5 years since we graduated from university. It feels like just yesterday we were freshmen, trying to navigate our way around campus.
I know, right? Time really flies when you're having fun.
Remember that crazy literature class we took with Professor Jones? He was so passionate about his subject, it was infectious.
Oh yeah, I remember that class. He used to make us stand up and recite Shakespeare sonnets in front of the whole class.
And we used to sneak snacks into class because we were always so hungry. I remember one time I smuggled in a whole baguette and Professor Jones never even noticed.
I think he was too busy analyzing every word of Shakespeare to pay attention to us munching on our snacks.
Those were the days, weren't they? We had so much fun and learned so much at the same time.
I agree. Our university experience really shaped our personal growth and aspirations. It was a time of discovery and self-discovery.
It definitely was. I remember feeling so overwhelmed when I first started, but I quickly learned to adapt and thrive in the university environment.
Me too. I learned the importance of time management, teamwork, and critical thinking. Those skills have been invaluable in my career.
And I learned the importance of following my passions and never giving up on my dreams. I'm so grateful for the opportunities we had at university.
Me too, Olivia. I'm so grateful that we met there and shared these experiences together. Olivia, I've always admired your love for reading. What are some of your favorite books?
I'm a huge fan of historical fiction. I love getting lost in a story about a different time period or culture.
I can relate to that. I love science fiction and fantasy novels. They always spark my imagination.
Have you ever read the Lord of the Rings series?
Yes, I have. It's one of my all-time favorites. I love the epic quest and the well-developed characters.
Me too. I'm also a big fan of Harry Potter. The magical world of Hogwarts is so captivating.
I've seen the movies, but I've never read the books. Maybe I should check them out.
You should. They're even better than the movies.
I'm always open to discovering new books. What other genres do you enjoy?
I like to read mysteries and thrillers sometimes. They keep me on the edge of my seat.
I've never really tried mysteries, but I might give them a try. Any recommendations?
The Agatha Christie novels are always a good bet. She's considered the queen of crime fiction.
Thanks for the recommendation. I'll check them out.
Apart from reading, do you have any other hobbies or interests?
I'm a big fan of music. I love playing the guitar and listening to all genres, from rock to jazz to classical.
I play the piano myself. Maybe we can play a duet sometime.
That would be awesome. I'd love to learn more about music theory and composition.
I can help you with that. I've been taking piano lessons since I was a child.
Thanks, Olivia. You're always so helpful.
It's no problem. I'm always happy to share my knowledge and passions with others.
Olivia, I've been thinking a lot about us lately. I really enjoy spending time with you, and I'm starting to feel like there could be something special between us.
I've been feeling the same way, Liam. I really like you too.
That's great to hear. I was wondering if you would like to go on a date with me sometime?
Yes, I would love to.
Great. What kind of things do you like to do for fun?
I love going to concerts, trying new restaurants, and exploring different neighborhoods.
Me too. Those all sound like great ideas. How about we start with a picnic in the park next weekend?
That sounds perfect.
I can't wait. In the meantime, I'd love to learn more about you. What are your values and priorities in life?
I value honesty, open communication, and mutual respect. I also believe in being supportive and encouraging of my partner.
Those are all important values to me as well. I also value loyalty, integrity, and a sense of adventure.
I think we have a lot in common.
I do too. I'm also curious about your relationship style. Are you more of a spontaneous person, or do you prefer to plan things in advance?
I'm a bit of both. I like to have some spontaneity in my life, but I also appreciate the security of having a plan.
I'm the same way. I think it's important to be flexible and adaptable in a relationship.
I agree. It's also important to be able to communicate effectively and resolve conflicts in a healthy way.
Absolutely. I believe that open and honest communication is the foundation of a strong relationship.
I'm glad we're on the same page, Liam. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you better.
Me too, Olivia. I'm excited to see what the future holds for us. Olivia, it was so nice jogging with you today. I really enjoyed our conversation.
Me too, Liam. It's always fun talking to you.
I'm really looking forward to our picnic next weekend.
Me too. I can't wait to spend more time with you.
Well, I should probably get going. I have a few things I need to do before I head home.
Okay, I understand. It was nice seeing you, Liam.
It was nice seeing you too, Olivia.
Thank you for watching my English teaching video. I appreciate you taking the time to learn with me. I hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. I'm always working to create new and engaging English teaching content, so stay tuned. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing. Thank you again for your support.